Here I am still at the charging station waiting for the car to get charged up at the Tesla. And now I have the dolly track from the side view. So it only shoots from the side. This is by Hoover. It's the X1 Pro Max. It does a really good job following you from the side. It's doing terrific, but I did have a hard time recovering it. And again, this is with the 9 Velo tires and the Pirelli race tires on the 9 Velo wheels. I am running the Revolve group set, and I do stop and try to recover the hover at this point, but it's not coming to me. So I'm trying to wave it down, but it's still not responding. So I think at one point I just get off the bike and grab the cell phone and manually retrieve it.